Hello, I just wanted to share with you a setting for the homeroom admin setting that Michael mentioned yesterday, having us add them as our admins. And something I learned in my training is to make them a section level administrator. So I'm going to go to Add Members, and I'm going to add Tara. And then once she loads, where did she go? No, there she is. I'm going to go to Make Admin. And then I'm going to click on the wheel again and make it a section level role. And then what I've been doing is like no grades, editing materials, and then hitting save. And this way it's not a full admin, but you can still do things and edit things.